give us a little smile. Smile.
This is my smile.
Show some teeth.
No.
Okay. You can see both of us. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully my breath doesn't smell. I don't remember if I brushed my teeth or not.
I did. Wait, let me take these glasses off.
Some gum in my mouth.
Wait, what I look like?
I really don't know.
It doesn't smell.
I got in the
smell.
shower. That's gross.
Oh, but look at this eyebrow dandruff in now.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. Oh god. Hold on. Hold on.
Are you recording?
It is recording.
I'm Kaya, fellas. I'm in a YouTuber studio. Unless you know.
Okay guys, so my name is Kaya. Say your name.
I'm her cousin.
She's my cousin, Rayna, and today I'm doing her makeup and turning her into me. So that's why the camera is so close right now, because I'm going to do her makeup and then we're going to put on a wig. So if you guys are interested in watching today's video, then continue to watch. Woo! Let's go. We're going to start off with brows. Right now I think that's eyebrow dust.
That is. That's my eyebrow dandruff.
Or dandruff.
I tried to get it.
Oh, you can't see, can you?
But I don't want to see because I like to be surprised.
Ooh. No, it's going to be a surprise, girl.
Going to the salon, you know. I kind of just want to relax.
My favorite part of going to the salon is when they wash your hair.
Mm-hmm.
When you lay your head back in that bowl. That'd be so fun.
I know.
You be feeling so good.
But now I don't have hair.
No, well, that was a choice.
Oh, but I like my hair short. I love it, actually. I don't gotta think about it. Sometimes that's a problem. I'll be like, ooh, I'm looking a little rough. I think
Can I get this concealer out of here?
It's right here.
Oh. What color it is, Rayna?
Pure beige. Normally that fits, so. And I think it oxidizes a little bit. I
have this color. You want to know what's funny?
What?
I have this color underneath my brows right now. And that's exactly where I'm about to put yours. So it makes me wonder. I already know it's light for me because I like a highlighted underbrow. But I'm going to see if it matches.
Her brow?
Mm-mm.
Her skin tone. She used a darker foundation. She looked orange, but she just didn't fill in the under her brow. So that was her skin tone was her highlight shade.
What?
Mm-hmm.
That's funny.
Because people were like, why did she make her skin? Because she completely changed her skin tone. And people were like, she used her skin as her eyebrow.
Ew, I almost fell.
This is gonna be a funny transplant.
Rayna.
I'm sorry. I don't know what I did.
You flinching.
Oh, I didn't mean to.
I'm trying not to laugh because I'm going to mess up your eyebrows, but you keep making me giggle.
But I wasn't saying nothing.
Rayna. Don't be staring at me like that. You're making that direct eye contact like that.
I was trying to. Now, this is a video I ain't watching. Do you think doing brows first is better?
For me. It worked better for some people to do theirs last, but I ain't about that life. My brows be looking funny when I do mine after I've done everything else.
Are you putting lashes in?
Not if you don't want to.
I want to. It's gonna be a struggle.
It surely is, because I don't know what lashes I'm going to put on your big old eyes. This brush got dust on it. Yeah, I was like, what is this balling up on her face? It's dust.
Well, I guess it's fitting because I'm doing it.
Can I use this? Or you don't use this?
Oh, you can't. I mean, it might be too late.
She brought her own foundation, you guys. So, because I'm not a makeup artist, so I don't buy, you know, different shades of
shade
makeup.
is it?
So she has LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation, which I've actually never tried this one, by the way.
That might be too light.
She's saying that it might be too light. It's natural. You a natural looking girl. Let's see.
Yeah.
I don't think so. And if it is too light, I can make it work.
Okay. I can wear the white shade. Unfortunately.
I use light shades all the time, actually, and I always make it work. Oh no, this will be fine, because once I add your bronzer and stuff, it'll be just fine. Yes, skin.
Oh,
Pop on out.
I can't see. So. My jaw said no.
Do like this.
Mm-hmm.
You got a little dent right there in your chin, and you got to do like that so I can get the foundation right there.
That's what Grandma always used to say. It's like a butt chin on your chin.
This actually is a good color for you.
Not really.
Well, I feel like in the lighting it doesn't look like it, but looking at you right now, that's literally the same color as your neck.
Yeah, see, I try to match my neck or chest because I'm lighter down. Like, I'm really light on my neck. I mean, my chest. So, I think I'm lighter on my neck, too, though.
Okay, so now we're going to go back into her concealer. And I'm going to just go ahead and use this same. I'm just doing your makeup how I do my makeup. Why are you laughing?
Think about eyes water.
Oh, no. Rayna.
It's hard. It's hard. It's just tickling. It's like.
Look up. Lord. This girl, she can't look up. It's just because you got bigger eyes. So it's a little bit more difficult to get underneath those.
And my eyelids don't be they can't even close all the way.
So she didn't bring her own setting powder. So I'm going to use the setting powder that I have that I think will fit her skin really good. And this is the Kat Von D Translucent Setting Powder. You looking real good, girl. I'm gonna have you snatched in a minute. So I've never used my Morphe Little Gold collection, so you're gonna be the first one to get this used on you today. And for contour, she also didn't have contour, so I'm using my own. I have this ColourPop No Filter Sheer Pressed Powder in dark, and it looks like it's gonna be a good little contour shade for her. So we're gonna try it out and see what happens.
You ever contour noses?
I contour my nose every day. Slick might need a darker color for you, boo. Cause that ain't working. There's that bronze I'm looking for. Why your lips look perked? You like you perking your lips. Huh?
I want you to overline my lips, okay?
Girl.
I want them to juicy.
You ain't about that life. You got dry skin, sis.
I don't know. It might be combo, but it's been better recently, though.
Why do you do that?
Just to blow it away from my mouth.
Oh shit.
What?
I forgot to take the powder off.
My frappe.
Rayna, turn your head that way.
Oh.
Excuse me. You have the perfect nose.
No, I don't. It's huge.
Rayna, your nose is fine.
It used to be like that. I'm like, I get hungry after I do that.
I do too.
So then I'm like, I gotta eat again. And sometimes I hate when I just eat and I'm like, really? Then I gotta go make some more.
Look at me. You look cute, sis. You ain't done yet, but we're almost there.
Is that dissolved powder?
You don't feel so cracky now, do you?
Yeah, brows are hard. Well, I actually didn't feel cracky.
Well, that's
why I
good.
was saying that I don't know if I have dry skin because I don't know.
Maybe it's just how I apply your makeup.
I use oil
so you don't feel cracky.
I've been using my eye makeup. Like, it tickles, but this feels good though.
Maybe it's the brush.
What's been a minute since you've done my makeup though?
Oh yeah, it's been a long time.
So you might just do it different. But I remember when we were younger, you used to be beating it. But you used to
I
be
probably
doing
did
that
on purpose.
Mm-hmm.
We saying the same thing.
You used to make my eye like I had a black eye. You gonna overline my lip?
Rayna.
Yeah. You don't have to. But you want me to look like you?
My lips ain't overlined.
Yeah, but you have to overline mine so they can look juicy. Because you and my mom, and your mom too, I think, too.
I don't think nobody in the family got juicy lips but me.
I feel like my mom has nice lips though.
Oh, yeah. That's what we about to do. Let your eyes water.
No,
It's going to mess up the makeup. Hold your head back if your eyes are going to water. You probably feeling like that because you don't ever wear lashes.
but my eyes, like, if I step into the sun and I haven't experienced it in a minute, they water. So I think that's just how my eyes are just sensitive like that. But it's weird. It feels weird.
I know it does.
I'm like really like, oh wow, I gotta look down.
Rayna is freaking out.
I'm like, what's going on? Okay. Well, also it's because I can't see.
It's cool, sis. It's cool.
Okay, it's just because I can't see.
Can you open your eyes up? Can you look this direction? Okay.
I think it just made me sleepy. Don't be making.
I'm trying my best not to laugh in your face. I'm not laughing at you.
No.
It's just everyone does this when I do their makeup and they tell me they never wear lashes. They be like,
did your mom do that?
It's just the reaction you get. Yeah, because people who don't wear them is new. They be like, what the hell? The way you held your eyes closed, it made it difficult to make it blend.
I feel like but see, remember when my eyelid used to move constantly when you used to try to do stuff?
Hold your eye open.
What you doing?
Fixing this. So it don't look like a big gap. Look down, Rayna. Look at the camera. Okay, it don't look that bad. It's only for a video. Rayna, open your eye.
It's open.
Girl. Oh, the lash is just too big. Rayna, open them.
I'm trying.
No. It don't look bad. It just... Okay. Now we're going to overline Sis's lips. Whoop whoop. Girl, this is so... Auntie is going to freaking love this video. Okay, so now I'm about to switch it up and we're going to put the wig on her. So we'll be right back after I get this wig placed on and it'll be the full transformation. Cut this off. Well, oh, you look so cute. You look like me. Too funny, bro. Too funny. You look like a completely different person right now.
That's the.
I did. So give us a little smile. Smile.
This is my smile.
Show some teeth.
No.
Scoot your head over a little bit.
This way or this
That
way?
way. Okay. What do you guys think? I turned Rayna into me. Rayna, you now look like me. Unfortunately, guys, though, she can't see herself because she's hella blind. So she needs her glasses so she can see. But I think I did pretty good considering, you know, the limitations of you letting me get deeper into your eyes. But that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you follow us on Instagram. I'll put everything in the description box below. And if you guys want more videos like this when we transfer more of my family members, let a girl know. And we'll see you later. Bye, guys. You gotta do that right now. Do it. Bye, guys. Oh, you look so cute.